welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be me trying out these new Nyx Lingerie push-up lipsticks. They're supposed to last 16 hours and they are plumping as well. I am a huge fan of plumping lip glosses and lipsticks, so I wanted to try these out. If you're in Canada, I believe these are $12, but if you're in the States, I believe these are $8. So I did get 3 colors. I got Silk Indulgent, Lace Detail, and Bedtime Flirt. I also tried the original ones that came out. I also love those colors because I'm addicted to wearing nudes with a brown liner, so I thought, why not add 3 more nudes to my collection? So if you want to see what these look like, keep watching. So I am going to swatch all 3. The first one is Bedtime Flirt. The second one is Silk Indulgent. And the last one is Lace Detail. So I'm just going to swatch them on my hand for you. Bedtime Flirt, Silk Indulgent, and Lace Detail. So the one I have on my lips right now is Bedtime Flirt. The lipstick I'm gonna try is the Lace Detail by NYX. I'm gonna line my lips with a Morphe liner. It's called Trendsetter. It's just a dark chocolate brown lip liner. I'll put the links to all of this stuff down below. So NYX says these are supposed to be like 16-hour wear, and they do come in like a soft tip. I'm not really a fan, but it does come with a sharpener, so we'll see how this does. So first, I'm going to line my lips. And then we'll see how Lace Detail does. So that's like 3 layers of Lace Detail. I'm gonna see if I can make it work. I feel like it looks decent, but I wouldn't wear this on its own. I'd probably put a lip gloss on top. Also, this is a plumping lip gloss, so it is tingling like right away. But it is very patchy. I'm not sure if you could see. Like even right here, it's like leaving pieces on my lips. I don't know if that could be fixed. Other than putting more and more layers on. So that's Lace Detail. Second one I'm gonna try on is Silk Indulgent. I believe that was this one on the hand. I'm gonna line my lips again with the Morphe liner. I'm going to use Silk Indulgent. So this is Silk Indulgent. This is probably my favorite color of all 3. I feel like if you know how to make nudes work, you can make these work. I probably wouldn't wear these alone, but I'll definitely be putting like a gloss or something on top. But also they're very patchy. Like they feel very creamy going on, but once they're on, they're very patchy. So this is Silk Indulgent. So the last one I'm gonna try is Bedtime Flirt. Lining my lips again. I'm gonna try sharpening this one. Hopefully that works better. job. They literally break as soon as they touch your lips. The best. It blended really well, better than the other two, but it's still a little patchy, as you can see. Like even down here, I have to put like 10 layers. That was all 3 of the NYX Lingerie push-up lipsticks. They are supposed to last 16 hours. I do see them lasting very long because they are very hard to get on. I had to put on like 10 layers of each one. I do like the colors, but I don't think I'd ever wear them on my own. Everybody is different. Because I am like addicted to plumping glosses and plumping lipsticks, I do love these, but I would never wear them alone. I would probably put a gloss or another plumping gloss on top, or even mix them with another lipstick. But I feel like for dark skins like myself, if you are used to wearing nude lips, then you know how to make it work. It's just something we gotta do. So I wanted to get a clear gloss and show you what it looks like with a gloss on, just because it is a little chunky. So this is just a basic clear gloss that I use normally, so this is what it looks like. So 100% of these look better with a gloss on top, but it's up to you how you want to wear them, with gloss or without gloss. I prefer something on top just because it blends everything in together. So thank you for watching. If you have any other lipstick swatches you want me to try, just leave a comment down below.